Check out this is 2010 Toyota Camry SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power driver seat, front head airbag, passenger airbag, knee airbag, intermittent wipers, cruise control, and power windows. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.